So for those of you who saw our first episode, you're already familiar with the concept. For our newcomers, it's simple. I ask you what the Canadian Food Inspection Agency has to do with today's item. This nice log. Camping season has begun and you've got everything you need. A tent, a sleeping bag, food, marshmallows, and firewood. But before you leave, did you know wood can contain certain invasive species? Say what? These can include insects and diseases, and their impact is likely to be harmful to the environment, economy, or human health. A perfect example is the emerald ash borer, which to date has killed millions of ash trees in Canada since it first arrived from Asia. So, what's the deal? Well, we all have a role to play given these bugs can travel vast distances hiding in firewood that we move around. To protect our forests, the CFIA works with its partners to prevent the introduction and spread within Canada of plant pests, as well as detect and control or eradicate designated plant pests in Canada. How can you help protect our beautiful country? Make sure you buy your firewood locally and burn it on site. For example, if you're camping in a national park, all firewood must be bought on site. This way, when you're roasting your marshmallows, you'll be helping to protect our forests and economy for generations to come. Happy camping! Learn more about the CFIA, visit inspection.gc.ca.